Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I will share a very simple recipe on how to make semolina fufu. Some of you find it very difficult to make this. That is because you result with a tough, hard and lumpy semolina fufu. In this video, I will show you how you can result with a very smooth, soft and eatable semolina. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones, turn on your bell notifications for instant alerts anytime I upload any video. Thank you. Very first step, I'll place 12 cups of water on the heat, allow it to boil. Once it boils, then we'll start. This step is very important. Quantity of water you use depends on the size of your family. I am serving a family of 6, which is why I am using 12 cups of water. Alright, so in my hand here is the brand of semolina I'll be using. I have here exactly 800 grams. The brand of flour you use is definitely up to you. Use whatever is available within the area that you reside. Begin to pour the flour using my left hand. While that is going on, I'll use the right hand to whisk. Now, if you're a beginner, I have always told you in my fufu recipes that it is very important for you to use whisk, especially if you're not familiar with the way of making fufu. For those of you who have difficulty in preparing it, notice I am doing this gradually. Don't pour the powder boom like that. You have to pour it gradually, step by step. This step and approach is extremely important so that you don't result with a fufu that is very tough, at the same time too lumpy. In time, the consistency of the fufu flour has changed. At the same time, you notice it is splashing. I'll remove it from heat and then continue the process of heat. While it is cooking off heat, I'll begin to pour the flour until I get my desired texture. Once it is achieved, I'll then remove the whisk and introduce a wooden spoon. This spoon is going to help you to achieve a smooth and beautiful appearance. At this point in time, I'll bring back the pot back to the heat because right now it can no longer splash. I'll gradually begin to knead the fufu dough. If I need to add more flour, then I'll pour in a little bit, just a little bit at a time, and then knead and incorporate it. Just add it gradually. Do not just pour the flour like that, otherwise you're going to result with a very tough semolina fufu, which is not good. I'll leave it to cook for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll come back and repeat the same process. And when you're allowing it to cook, please make sure you use the lowest heat. Once again, 2 minutes later, I am back. Here, I will stir, combine. Once I'm done with the combining process, I will leave it again to cook for a period of, let's say, 3 to 5 minutes. And let me also remind you, I did not use all the flour. I have a little bit quantity left. So let's say I used about 750 grams of semolina flour. So this is 3 to 5 minutes later. Our fufu is perfectly ready. It's perfect, guys. Trust me. Soft, smooth, and without lumps. Fufu is ready. Notice that semolina fufu tends to get hard. That is why it is not supposed to be too hard while you're cooking it on heat. That is very important for you to note. Transferring to a cling film, this is going to help us to bring it together smoothly and then leave it here until it is time for you to eat it. Some of you will be like, plastic film is not healthy. If you're concerned about that, you have to use the gray foil. Yes, you can use the gray foil to foil it. I am using the cling film for presentation purpose. Of course, if you don't see the fufu, how you go take click the video now, Okay, guys, so form it into the size or lump of your choice and then set it aside and pair with any soup of your choice. You can enjoy with egusi soup, okra soup, whatever soup that tickles your fancy, olubu or bono, all of them. Enjoy it. And here I'm going to show you how it is enjoyed. guys for joining me in today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this simple recipe. Very simple to put together. In less than 10 minutes your semolina is ready once your water is boiled. Here I will be pairing the food with a little soup I have available, and I'm going to enjoy my breakfast heavy this morning. Hands are washed clean, and here I will dive in and enjoy my fufu. Thank you all so much for spending time with me. I'm going to wrap up and draw the curtain. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed. God bless you. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Bye for now.